Alright. Oh. That is a little bit out of shot. Okay. My viewfinder on my camera is square because camera format for a regular photo. And then when I still haven't learned where it's putting the bars for HD, so it's always exciting. But this horizontal engine was hammering a little bit. Found out why. The box here is coming apart. It's just a straight glued flat joint in there, a butt joint, so I'm going to have to put that back together with a couple tacks. No big deal. I honestly didn't expect it to have much more than a butt joint glued together, so I am not surprised in the least there. Let's see. I'll set that aside. The other thing I was going to do was show what I do to mix fuel. When I run these, I did that experimenting with getting the nitromethane, and I got some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to try. Both the alcohols ran basically the same, requiring 2 turns and then not running very long before the fuel level was so low and they'd go out of tune that you'd have to just keep fiddling with them. So I don't really want to waste that, so I'm mixing the contaminated nitromethane and the contaminated denatured alcohol with my Zippo fluid to use it instead of dumping it back into the original containers and contaminating all of that. So to mix that, I have a nice glass jar here with an eyedropper from when before I had the Zippo fluid containers that makes it, and bought that syringe to help fill everything. And as you can see, separates out pretty quickly. Gasoline, you can mix alcohol into gasoline, but gasoline doesn't want to mix into alcohol. The bottom here that's purple is the nitromethane RC fuel, and the top is the Zippo white gas and straight gasoline. So, all you have to do is make sure that you get your ratios where it's more than half white gas / gasoline to the ethanol, and I just mix it experimentally. So this container with the tape on it is the one that has the mixed or contaminated fuel in it, and I overfilled it. Give it a good mix, and then pour some into our glass jar and watch it. Oh yeah, I'm still on it over the edge here. Yeah, see, it's still separating out there, so it's about half and half. And let me go find my regular gasoline can and put in there. see how far I need to mix this. So the one nice thing is that, like, basically all the alcohol will settle out as soon as you get over the, like, magic mixing amount. So, is that 1/4 and it's still settling out. So, agitate that. Pour a bit off. I should have a funnel, which I don't have. Well, still settling out. I'm gonna keep mixing this, but I'm getting closer. And I think, yeah. But like, this is just a way to get everything mixed up and try to use that fuel that I contaminated without having to just throw it out. So, and like I said, I just try to be careful, which I got sloppy today, but I usually don't spill that much. And then I mix it until it doesn't separate in this glass container and run that, and it usually works out okay.